Good morning. With just a few short hours left before my cat train, I decided to sneak out of the house and go to Yesteryear. Now, I still have a few spots to fill for my Halloween sale on Sunday. I know you guys are probably so sick of hearing about it. I also have a few spots to fill for my jewelry sale, which is happening Wednesday. Unfortunately, this will post after the fact, but in September, I still have coming up Poodles, Pink, and then in October, I have the dog train, I have Bengals, and then I also have deer. So I'm looking for a lot as well, as my weekly variety sale. So let's go in and see what we got. Hopefully I'm not late to the cat train. That's that's my priority right now, but I did want to get out of the house. Now, one of my biggest hesitations about having a deer sale was that it would be really hard to find a minimum of 40 deer, but this little celluloid guy is $3 and 30% off. He's super fragile, but he's also super sweet. For the price, I think I'm gonna go ahead and risk damaging him in the meantime, and got my first item. I also really like this celluloid chicken. That's like a little walker toy. It's so fun. As found, he's so cute. Well, I was going for my favorite cases, but then I saw this. What is this? Oh my gosh, how amazing. Smiley face. Oh my gosh, and it squeaks. It's $10 and 30% off. I've never seen it before, so for $7, I'm definitely gonna grab that. What's going on here? Pumpkin container, $2.50. Oh, I'm trying so hard to pick up unique Halloween stuff, but it's kind of hard. What is happening here? This plastic lobster? Why am I so into this? Was this made in Hong Kong? I don't know why. I really like the lobster. Reminds me of Kathy. Well, of course, I just looked up finally, and it's right here. Is this cat apron. It says vintage, $15, 30% off. What year is this? It looks like it might be 80s maybe. I hope it's 80s. Doesn't say. It's kind of fun. It's definitely unique. I feel like, let me do the math on that. That's really cool. Yeah, $10.50. I feel like I could get away with starting at 12 because it's so unique maybe. So fun. And now I'm seeing spiders. It's like they knew I was coming. Pair of glitter spider hair clips sold $2. Oh gosh, I'm such a sucker. I swear they have targeted ads for me because I saw this on Facebook. I don't follow a lot of antique malls, but I follow them, and every once in a while I feel like they're sending me the message that they restocked. So I am here to clean them out. I'm also going to take a look at the bangles. Grab that. Oh, so much good stuff. Look, there are those Italian. Oh my gosh, those are amazing. Those are really well priced. They are super hard to find, especially, I think they are signed at the bottom. The little figurine versions usually don't, but these ones that are hand bejeweled are kind of a win. I might take a second look at those too. And more glitter spider clips. This is a really cool art glass vase. Okay, there's a lot happening here. Oh, yeah, slightly overwhelmed. Well, I went ahead and grabbed a bunch of stuff. And then I turned the corner into this situation. There's a lot happening here. I do notice the ones that are the left-in ones. I've had them a few times. Gosh. So much stimulation. I've already been here for way longer than I'm supposed to be, and I love the binocular. I think I looked at those last time. Yeah, I've already been here for way longer than I was supposed to be, but at least I found a couple things for the Halloween. Oh, look, there's another deer. That would be $9. It's a little close. I don't like to pay that much for them, even though sometimes those can go really lucky with me. They have such fun plastics in here. Smiley glasses. Fun, $4. We will take all of them. What I want to know is, in what world did I think I had enough time? Oh, this is a 3-piece set. That's very cool. In what world did I think I had enough time to do this? Wow, look at this with the swing. That looks German almost. Very cool. What are these glasses? I think vintage. Those are cool. Kind of remind me of the Holt Howard design. Black glass vase. $7.50. That's kind of cool for Halloween. Whoop. So this is definitely like the 1980s bisque. Yeah, Taiwan. But it's kind of fantastic, and it's only $5. I really love the expression on this guy. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. Wait. Oh, it's 30% off too. Look at this one. Ceramic candle holder. Again, it's a little bit newer than I normally like, but it's only a couple bucks, and I've been all over the place like looking for stuff for the Halloween sale, and it's kind of fantastic, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab that too. Hocus Pocus, the lamp. This is, I know it's new, but it's kind of cool. All right, back at it. It's a little bit larger than I'd like to ship. Yeah, I saw the hamburger and I got distracted. It kind of reminds me of my burger bag. More Halloween. Wow, a lot more Halloween actually. I know a lot of it's contemporary, but still, those are cool. Hallmark. Oh, what am I doing here? All right. I like the green rose bowl. Oh, it's hand painted. That's quite pretty. 20% off. That's not bad at all. And then what's going on here? Plastic scarecrow. No, close, but not really. I'm looking for it. You know what though? I like the ghost, but the pumpkin, there's something bugging me about it, so I'm gonna put it back. I know, but you know, I'm real picky. Well, this isn't really my thing. I'm kind of scared to touch them. Look at that. I've never seen anything like those before. Those are glass. And these are very cool. This is not my usual kissing faces. They're new, but they're really cool. They remind me of Picasso. I feel like I actually have picked up a set by that brand before. Look at this one. Musical Muse. Those are cool. They're really unique. Art Deco black and white. Whoa. Now those are rad. Yes, please. I think these are carved. Very different. $10, 20%, so $8. Yeah, those are really, really unique. I'm gonna pick these up just on principle. Oh my gosh. So I'm not gonna lie, I saw a picture of this on their Facebook page and I was like so upset that I couldn't get there earlier. This is so fantastic. It says as found because it's got a little paint loss, but I don't really care because it's so good. I'm definitely getting that. Let's see, what else do they have? I love the cake topper, although these are kind of tricky to ship the way I do it. I'm kind of aggressive with it. Oh my gosh, look at the bear salt and pepper shakers. Yes, 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 we love you. Those are so cute. I love their eyelashes. And now I see Poodles. $10. Blemish on face. It does. It has a little manufacturer's defect, but I love these left-in ones. I'm gonna grab that too. As well as this one's missing its little babies on chain, but I don't care because it's fantastic. And I scheduled the Poodle sale far in advance. I don't know how long my camera was just off because apparently I didn't charge my battery today. I've been really lackadaisical. But I was saying I've scheduled the poodle sale really far in advance because I'm like, oh, I won't have any problems finding poodles, and I haven't like picked up a single one since. So I'm gonna take both of those. And then what about these birds up here? I'm just, my basket's like really full. I feel like those are really cute. I've had those before. Dude, what? Cool cat mirror. That is so freaking cool. Pun intended. I'll take that for $8. 1984, and it's signed. I'm not even gonna look it up because I just think it's really special. I would be remiss if I didn't check out these guys. I know they're new, but oh, this is fun. With the cat eye glasses. I can't do it. I can't bring myself to do it. I can't start selling a bunch of new Halloween. It's against my principles. Dude, what is this? It's cast iron. It's double-sided. That's so cool. $18. I wonder if I could get away with that. It's definitely Repop. I'm gonna look online and see what they're listed at because I think this is very neat, even though it's new. I feel like this is an exception. Yeah, so unfortunately there is one online. There's one at 30 and one at 15, so I'm gonna leave that. This is very cool too. The swirly vase.